Hey everyone, today I will show you how to set up Face ID on Lloyds Bank. For secure and convenient login with Face ID, you can access your account instantly without typing passwords or remembering pins. Let's set it up in just a few steps. Make sure your device is ready. Go to settings and check that Face ID is enabled under Face ID and passcode on your iPhone. If you use Touch ID, check under Touch ID and passcode. Now you have to set up Face ID in Lloyds Bank app. Open the Lloyds Bank app and log in as usual. Lloyds. After logging in, log on to your profile, then tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. It will show here. Tap the profile icon, then select settings, then tap on Face ID or Touch ID and toggle the switch to turn it on. The option should be right here. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. Enjoy the faster, secure banking step. The next time you log in, just glance at your phone and you are in. If you ever need to disable Face ID, simply return to the same settings and toggle it off. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.